Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Gulf Coast. It's not bad out. Today on the block we got a stove and some scrap metal here. Is that going?
No.
Okay. Just this right here.
Yeah.
Good old trampoline metal. Alright, let's get it loaded up. We'll get the day started. Hope everybody's having a good day, or morning, evening, afternoon, whatever.
What you doing? You excited? Wag it. Wag that little tail.
Cute little dog. Okay, commercial account called. He just had just a few items today. Whatever. Little bit. Throw it in the bucket. The little bits. It all adds up later on. Switch outlets. Yeah, that's brass. Ow. See what else we can find today. Go to the scrap yard. Bit of a short day today, light day. All good. A little bit I did find. It's better for the environment to come here. Oop. Let me take the smooth route. So, that rack right there, steel rack, they put the cars up there, drain all the fluids, make sure the batteries are disconnected, taken out. You're supposed to pull the batteries, but they don't always do that. And then whatever else, I don't know everything what they do, but I know mainly they drain the fluids, so we'll leave that at that. Says brass hinges, but he sticks. Yeah. So you can't go wrong with that neodymium magnet. Comes out of the hard drive of a computer. That's why I keep one right there. When I get out of the truck, it's available. And you come back here to the truck. There's another one right here. It's also got a bottle opener. And on the other side of the truck, it's another magnet. Neodymium. I'm saying it wrong, but they come out of the hard drive. And there's one over here on the passenger side. Never go wrong with too many batteries. I'd rather have more batteries. Magnets, blah, available in certain stages of the truck. That way I ain't got to go walking back to the truck, go looking in the bag. Boom, boom. There they are. Let's go. It's a slow day in the scrapyard, too. Yeah. Oh, boy. That's all right. More gas money. That's all it really ever is. Steals the meal, steals the gas money. It's the non-ferrous and the resale. That's the money. Today we got a John Deere with the blown motor. L130 automatic. Just like how I did with the golf cart. Got the ramp, come along. Get my arm exercise. There we go. That's how we get our workout. Don't need to go to no gym. Truck. Best little tool I have. Where'd it go? Well, right there. Good old come along. Yes, I got a power winch, but then you know the battery goes dead. So it's all right. I don't mind breaking a sweat, getting a little arm workout. Yeah, I could take the starter off, pull all the wires out of it, but it's going to the scrapyard. There's no battery. Let's go. Second trip of my late day. Maybe I can get some crane action today. The claw. We don't need no stinking claw. I'm the claw. It's been around forever. One thing about that come along versus a power winch, it'll outlast it. I think I've had this thing for 40 years. What it weigh, what it pay, first trip of the day, my light day. Light iron for a light day, 400 pounds, 8.5 cents for $32. Boom. All right, what it weigh, what it pay, last trip for the John Deere. 500 pounds, 8.5 cents for $40, not bad. All right, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Either way, it doesn't matter. It just helps out the algorithm. If you would, please subscribe, share me out, tell your friends. Other than that, have a good day. God bless.